In this video, I want to talk to you about the biggest problem that can stop everything working. And I have to say, it's got nothing to do with investing, nor large cap, nor small cap, nor value. It's us. So here we go. Again, looking back from 1956 until now, you'll recall inflation has been around 5% over that period. Inflation effectively grew the pound from 1 to 23. That's the effective annualised compound of inflation over time. If you'd invested on bonds, on average your £1 would have grown to £56. And if you'd invested in the FTSE, the UK market, your pound would have grown to approximately £850. If you'd got in the value market, it would have grown to about £4,200. And I checked these figures and I worked them back out this morning in my own books and they are accurate. If you'd gone in small cap, your pound would be worth about £5,500. So you can see how these things have played out. Now, one of the things that can stop your plan dead in its tracks is the fact that markets don't go up in a straight line. Let's see what really happens. Markets move up and down, but over the long term, they grow. What you see in between is the gyration of prices, and a huge mistake people make is seeing this as risk. It's not risk. Risk is really when things are growing, everybody's happy and buying and contributing high levels of income and savings into markets and pensions. When we inevitably have the 5-year economic crisis and crash, people then start panicking and selling out. That's where all the damage gets done. It's about the long term and accepting that the benefits of equity investing take time. There's always a price to pay. And the price in this instance is that you have to accept there will be temporary declines and a reduction in investment values. It's not a loss. You don't lose any money unless you panic and crystallise that loss and sell when prices are low. We educate our clients against doing that, and because they trust us, they don't make this mistake. In the end, it all comes back to your number. What's the amount of money you're going to need to live comfortably for over 30 years? If you haven't got that worked out, you need to speak with us. If you think you've got it worked out and you want to cross-check it with us, that's fine too. You want to make sure your investments are doing what they should be doing, and you're not paying for those huge fees for active management that doesn't work in around 80% of cases. I meet with people in Liverpool, Manchester and London, and we have a complimentary strategy session to go through all of this detail. Please get in touch with me if you'd like to meet and take control of your financial future today.